Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Chevrolet Tahoe 2020 guys. Customer complain, steering assist is reduced, drive with care, message on. Stability track message on and traction message on guys. The trouble code guys is steering angle sensor. So I can fix this all message guys by resetting and relearn the steering angle sensor only. So but the reason guys why the steering angle set the trouble code steering assist is reduced message on, because guys this vehicle is involved in accident. So I will show you guys how I found that this vehicle is involved in accident. Okay, inspection first, steering wheel straight. Okay, then the front wheel also straight, good. The other side straight also, but the upper intermediate shaft guys, the upper intermediate shaft is not straight or not correct alignment. Okay, the correct alignment guys is the same like this. Okay, this is the correct alignment of the upper intermediate shaft. Okay guys, this is the correct alignment or position the upper intermediate shaft, the bolt and this washer key. So guys, my best advice, for example guys, your vehicle is involved in accident. After accident guys, the steering wheel is off center or not aligned guys, make sure guys your chassis is not damaged guys by the accident, suspension is good. So don't adjust anything guys. So check first, straight the front wheel, straight front wheel, then inspect the upper intermediate shaft alignment. Okay, position. So in this situation guys, the upper intermediate shaft is not correct alignment. So now I'm going to remove this one, inspect, and also I will replace. Okay, guys, this new, so the new guys is aligned properly and the old guys is twisted. Okay, twisted. So this upper intermediate shaft guys is part of reducing impact in the steering wheel created by the accident. So when your vehicle guys accident, especially in the front, your tire, the impact guys, it will twisted this intermediate shaft. Okay. So guys, this is accident intermediate shaft, and this one new. Okay. This is the cause guys. Your steering off center or not straight after the accident. Okay. So the upper intermediate shaft guys is incorrect alignment. Steering off center. Oop. Turn to center. Then install the lower steering column bolt. Okay. Then tighten this bolt right now. Don't forget to tighten. So guys, done replacing upper intermediate shaft. So the alignment now guys is good, is correct. The bolt and the washer guys is correct position. And also the front tire is aligned or straight. And then the steering wheel also is straight. Okay, thank you guys for watching.